Hey guys, I am back with Crown Zenith. We have, see if I can do this without wrecking my display, a whole display set of the mini tins. And we're going to open it all up. There we go. Right, set this off over here. And we'll go through and do all the artworks first on these first 5. We'll start with a little Wooloo. And our first tin. It's our card. Got that sticker. And 2 packs of Crown Zenith. And our first pack, here we go. Let's see if the pull rates are as good as they say they are. Crown Zenith already has one of the better pull rates, I think, but supposedly the mini tin displays have some fire in them. So let's see. Look at that, Melanie right off the bat. And double a Semi-Seer V-Star. Nice. Excited. 2 cards I don't have. 2 cards I can drop into that binder. Next pack of Crown Zenith. Not a bad way to start. 1 pack down, 2 hits, starting with some fire. Like, legit fire. Semi-Seer fire Pokemon. Ultra Ball. Execute, Love Disc. Ooh, Electivire, Glaring Gallery, and a Ditto. Save that up. Another one I don't have. We'll go into that next tin. Right. We got our card, Morpeko 877. 2-sided Pokemon. He is 1 foot tall, 6.6 pounds. Look at that. All right. Put those off to the side here. And we'll grab our 2 packs of Crown Zenith and keep it going. Let's keep it going. Another code card. Some fire. Scyther, Pokeball, Yungoos, Rescue Carrier Reverse, Tangrowth, non-hollow. Second pack. Code card coming at you. 4 of them to the back. Tangela, Baltoy, Whalmer, Shinx. There it is. Nice. Galarian Gallery Mew. Artwork I don't have. Sleeve it up. Pangoro, non-hollow. Loving the artwork. Alright, let's slide these off and continue on. Got that Yamper. Let's see. Yamper 835 puppy Pokemon. Another 1 foot tall, but 29.8 pounds. All right. 2 packs again. What will we get out of this display case of tins? There's a code card. Some Bidoof, Coughing, Slandit, Purloin, Grubbin, another Electivire, and a Zarude Hollow. Well, doubling up on the Electivire. Gonna also sleeve up the Zarude because actually a card that's not in my binder. Put that off to the side. Second pack. Now, there's 2 packs. This is technically the last pack out of the tin. Can we do last pack magic for each tin? Is that cheating? Can we only do last pack for the entire display case? What do you guys think? Would it be cheating if we did last pack magic for each mini tin? Reverse Sunkern and Charizard V. Look at that. Another V card. Another Charizard. Well, I at least pulled something. Next tin. And we have in this one a Tenna 856, a Calm Pokemon, 1 foot 4 inches, 7.5 pounds. Nice sticker right there. Got our 2 packs. Crown Zenith. Always got to be 1 pack you struggle with. There's always one. It's 1 in every crowd. Another code card for you. V-Star marker. All right, what's in here? What is in here? We got a Seal, a Kricketuk, an Aaron, Riolu, Reverse Energy Switch, and Luxray non-hollow. All right. I repeatedly, for me, get absolutely nothing in any pack that has a V-Star marker. There's a code card. But whenever my kids open and there's a V-Star marker, for some insane reason they end up with a V-Star or a rainbow. Yet I can't seem to pull either. Reverse Coughing, Zorora V. Honestly, couldn't tell you if this is one of the Zororas I have or not. There are like 5 different artworks in Crown Zenith of Zorora. It's nice to see them put into a set, but I cannot keep track of which one I have. All right. Last tin. All right. Charizard number 006. Flame Pokemon. 5'7", 199.5 pounds. The nice sticker there. Toss this off to the side. And we got 2 packs. Crown Zenith. Send a code your way. And let's do it. Got some water. Gonna destroy the cards before I get to them. Starly, Scyther, Emolga, Yungoos, Cherubi, a Reverse Oddish, and a Wailord non-hollow. This is the last pack of the tin. Last pack of the first set of 5 trainers artworks. Not the last pack of the entire display. All right, some Metal Energy, a Graveler, Dusclops, Shinx, Larvesta, an Oddish, a Seal, there's a Potion, and our third Electivire, tripling up on the exact same Galarian Gallery. And we've got a holographic Sky Seal Stone. I think Sky Seal is the last Seal Stone that I'm missing, but let's leave it up anyways. So there is some craziness in here. The fact of we have now tripled up on the exact same trainer gallery. I guess I can binder one, grade one, gift one, trade one. I don't know. All right, let's see here. Let's put these all together. Remove all the stickers out of the way first. Move those stickers. Get these artworks all put together here. Alright, we got this one, goes right here. Got the Charizard. I swear I'm usually awesome at puzzles, but you're not going to believe me after watching this video, honestly. There it is. There is the entire artwork coming out of all of the trainer gallery, or trainer tins, I guess. Not trainer gallery. Oh, what am I saying? Okay. We've got 5 more to go through. So let's do this. Two packs there. We're just gonna mix them all up. We won't know which trainer had the fire poles, if there's any in here. I also have another video that I will be posting. Gotta make it first, actually, honestly, but got about 100 packs of Crown Zenith laying around. So I think I'm just gonna do a massive opening of Crown Zenith, 100 packs at least. See what kind of pulls we can get, and see if we can get one step closer to maybe completing a binder of Crown Zenith. A full binder would be absolutely crazy, but we're going to do it. We're going to go for that master binder of Crown Zenith. All right, there's our 10 packs out of our mini tin displays. Let's go. We're cracking in. Wasting no time with that code card. Some rare candy, a Chatot, Sunkern, Bidoof, Coughing, a Hoopa V. I said that out of the Galarian Gallery. And we're going to add that Zorora VMAX as well. So now we got the V and the VMAX. That was a nice pack right there. Definitely have to add those in. Next pack of Crown Zenith. There's another code for you guys. A Grubbin, a Skrelp, Helioptile, Bidoof Reverse, and a Yanmega non-hollow. Another pack. Guess I can't cheat this time, you guys. No last pack magic every time. Open them all up, put them together. Here's your code card. So this time there would truly only be one last pack. Luxio, Rescue Carrier, Pancham, a Snorunt, a Larvesta, reverse Volcanion, and a Scizor, which is getting sleeved because it has to go in the binder. Another code. Can we get a gold card? I already have one. I got the Palkia. Can I add to that? Get one more. Pokemon Catcher Reverse. Another Yanmega non-holo. Toss these out of the way and keep going. Two cards I've yet to pull. Well, I'm looking for another gold card, but I've yet to pull that Pikachu Secret Rare. Everybody keeps seeing people pulling it, triples, quadruples, and I just got 4 of the Electivire out of the same display. And we got an EVV. Nice. Getting a lot of good pulls. A lot of good pulls. The only thing I'm not excited about is this. Couldn't we have done this with like Mew, the Mewtwo alternate, Pikachu, a gold card, something crazy? No. Just Galarian Gallery, Electivire. Just gonna quadruple up on that. All right. Here's your code. And we'll do 4 from the back. Some electric energy. That Lost Vacuum, Sunkern, Coughing, Bidoof, Salandit, a reverse Pokeball, and a Leafeon V-Star. Nice. Another V-Star, adding it to the pile. All right. Still looking for some magic out of these last 4 packs we have. Can we find it? Coughing, Bidoof, Salandit, got a Purloin, that reverse Yanmega, and a Mew V to go with our Galarian Gallery Mew. 3 packs left. 3 more chances to find gold or secret rare. Code card for you. A V-Star marker. It's good news for my kids, not for me. Well, maybe it is this time. Don't know if you guys saw that, but definitely something at the back of this pack. I got Butterfingers. You got a sneak peek. Keldeo, Galarian Gallery. That is not what I saw during the sneak peek, though. So what's behind it? Hatterene VMAX. Could have been something a little more crazy for the anticipation, but still a VMAX. Still 2 out of 1 pack. Still some nice hits. Let's go. 2 more packs. And there is a code card. Some fighting energy. Shrek, Choose, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meow, Wailmer, a Shinx, Lunatone, and Hollow Tapu-Lele. Another Galarian Gallery. And this is our last pack of Crown Zenith for the video. Just gonna tidy up for you guys in case we get some fire, because we're looking for that last pack magic out of Crown Zenith. Did I use it all up? Is karma coming back from all me cheating with my last pack magic? I don't know. But we have 1 pack left. What is in our last pack of Crown Zenith? a Wooloo, a Shinx. Nothing in the reverse slot except for Tauros. And a double non-hollow. Definitely getting kicked in the butt right at the end there. That is it. We have a stack of cards that we can add to our binder. Some nice pulls. All nice. Some a little obnoxious. That Lunatone, Hatterene VMAX, that Keldeo, that Mew V, the Leafeon V-Star. We're not going to mention the 4 that we got in EVV. Got to add that to the binder. Azorora VMAX, Hoopa V, a Charizard V, a Simisear VMAX, another one for the binder, Melanie Full Art Trainer, and a Aurora V to go with that VMAX. All right, loving Crown Zenith, love doing openings. I'm going to do a lot more, make you guys some nice videos, some content. Like I said, I'm going to do a massive opening of 100 booster packs, see if I can fill up that binder and, you know, go for gold. Let's see if we can do it. All right, guys, that's it for this time. Hit that like button, subscribe. I love making these videos. Gonna keep doing it. Look forward to getting some crazy pulls on camera, if I can do that. I don't know. Last time I got my pulls, they were all off camera. You know, need to stop opening Pokemon cards without a camera. But, all right, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.